Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to prevent those contact-joined Telegram notifications on Telegram web, especially after the newest update. If you're tired of being notified every single time someone new joins Telegram, this video is just what you need. Let's jump right into it. First, open Telegram web on your PC and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're inside, look toward the top left corner of your screen. You'll notice 3 small dots right next to your profile picture or the Telegram logo. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots to expand the menu. From here, select Settings. This will open a new panel where you can customize different aspects of your Telegram experience. Once you are in the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Notifications. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all the types of alerts that Telegram sends you, from message notifications to group updates and contact changes. Now scroll down a little until you find the option that says Contact Joined Telegram. By default, this box is usually checked, which means Telegram will always notify you whenever someone from your contact list joins the app. If you want to stop receiving those alerts, all you need to do is uncheck this box. Once that's done, you'll no longer receive any pop-ups or alerts each time one of your contacts signs up for Telegram.